It was a big day on Jesus Ranch, Jesus Ranch. He was harvesting a big tomato. He was in the sand, alright. I'm thinking of walking minutes, and this night's outside smells of shit like a green guaga. I came up on a sinless right mushroom and I fly. When I fly, it was a big day on Jesus Ranch, Jesus Ranch. Jesus, I fell in love with a baked potato. That's when I started to dance, yeah, in France. I'm thinking of walking mirrors, fuck you, it's nice, very, very nice. Smells of shit, like a guaga. I came upon a serious white mushroom and I fly. When I fly, when I fly up, we're right with kings, some majesty, it's across the devil's plate. We walked with Jesus and his cross, sitting and dying there. Oh. Che romantica. We run with one sweet line, can't you even stop that moving train? We travel through space and time, my friend, to rock this house again. Rock out. We're right, we'll never subside. We're right to the planet's God. And if you say that we should not to ride, I tell you fucking hard. Right. Kyle Crosby, Silver, Jack Boys, Flamingo, but unless you think we're there. We know it's a showcase, but we don't care. GPS so deep. We're ready. We're ready. Supreme. Oh God. And we're the supreme. When the chicken supreme. When I call it supreme. Supreme, yeah. Gonna come 1, 2, 3. Supreme, yeah. Gonna go 1, 2, 3. Supreme, gonna go 1, 2, 3. And Marina Supreme. When the chicken supreme. What a quality supreme.